Wir sind jetzt dieses Jahr zum 6. Mal auf der Motek.
We are now at the Motek for the 6th time. Since our entry into the market in 2010, we have already installed more than 700 Sarissa systems worldwide. Of course, we are very pleased to say that we have been able to get in with almost every German car manufacturer and have Sarissa installations actively running on their assembly lines. At today's show, we are showing off our Receiver 2.0, which replaces our previous model. Where we previously used a USB interface, we now have an Ethernet interface. Each receiver gets its own IP address, so it can be linked to by external devices. The whole setup is interference-free, even for large-scale installations. Power is supplied to the receiver via Power over Ethernet, which reduces the need for wiring. The software is now designed to work with web services, allowing us the possibility to plug in virtually any number of devices that use the position information. We are especially pleased to report that between last year's Motek 2016 and this year's, we seem to have been discovered by so-called general industries. We now have several customers who produce general household appliances using our systems. Also new for us, the European aerospace industry recently became one of our customers. Sarissa systems are now being used in the production of communication satellites. Using our sensors, paired with modern tightening tool technology, we've created smart tools for this industry.
Ja, und jetzt steigen wir damit auch schon ein in unsere Live-Demonstration.
Now we're getting into our live demonstration. Incidentally, what you see here is a real use case. When the correct QR code is in the correct position, we know the correct bearing shell is being assembled, and the worker knows that his work is free of mistakes, which could not be avoided in the past. Here you see the worker tries to operate the tool, but the tool is de-energized until he goes to the correct position. Even when the worker manages to make a mistake, the system recognizes this and alerts the worker. The workpiece moves on only when it is free from errors, and the next workpiece runs in.
Es den Systemintegratoren einfacher zu machen, unser Produkt einzubinden.
In order to make it easier for system integrators to integrate our product, we've decided to offer the two standard interfaces, Profinet and EtherCAT, which we announced at this year's Motek 2017. The cyclic exchange of process I/O data makes it easy for every PLC programmer, every system integrator, to get the position information from our sensors and integrate that data into the workflow.
My name
is Uwe Hert. I am the Business Unit Manager at GmbH Blind Riveting Technology. The company GmbH is a manufacturer of fasteners as well as the associated processing equipment, and in this context we are very happy to meet the requirements of our customers in terms of optimal and optimized security of assembly processes. With Sarissa, we have a very strong and reliable partner, with whom we work very well and reliably. In addition to our force displacement measurement for riveting processes, the exact position of the processing device and the positions of the worker's hands in 3D space can now be recorded with millimeter accuracy.